All right, welcome back. OpenAI wrapping up a massive $6.6 billion secondary share sale on the private markets. This sale will help compensate employees because now they can sell some of their internal stock. Mackenzie Sigalos in San Francisco to help us understand exactly what's going on. Mac.
So, Brian, the headline here is that OpenAI employees do not want to cash out. The company had cleared the way for eligible current and former staffers to sell more than $10 billion worth of shares. Instead, a significant portion of that allocation went unsold. And in terms of the buyers in the secondary sale, that list includes names like Thrive, SoftBank, and Dragoneer. Gulf Money is also in the mix, with Abu Dhabi's MGX participating. And Brian, a source familiar with the tender, says that this undersubscription is being viewed internally as a sign of confidence, being seen that as a win more than anything. You've got employees choosing to hold their equity, and then outside investors are still eager to buy in at a valuation that has nearly doubled from $300 billion earlier this year.
Does it say anything about the so-called talent wars for AI, where they're literally just throwing $10,000 bills at people?
That's a huge part of what we're looking at here. This is OpenAI's second major tender offer in less than a year. They had a $1.5 billion deal with SoftBank back in November, giving staffers a liquidity exit if they wanted it with their shares. But this is part of a broader trend among top private companies like Stripe and Databricks, using secondary sales to reward employees and keep talent without going public. And it comes as OpenAI faces growing pressure to hold on to its best researchers, with rivals like Meta reportedly dangling those 9-figure pay packages to lure them away.
And you've got the Sora, you've got automated movies, and there's like a new actress, but she's an AI actress that people are watching. It's a thing. Hollywood hates it. I get it. What does this say, or where are we in the image and movie generation part of this AI story?
So Sora 2 was this consumer-facing app that launched this week on Tuesday. It's still gated, so people are on a long wait list, but is incredibly impressive. The hyper-realistic video that's being generated by it, a ton of buzz around it. The #3 most downloaded app on the App Store, even though a lot of people are still waiting to get off the wait list. But what it says about OpenAI's larger strategy is this. Sam Altman yesterday specifically spoke to the fact that this could be a key part of their monetization story. They also got into e-commerce and taking a cut from merchants earlier this week. The company is looking to make money because it is spending so much money. You and I talked last week about how it's committed to nearly $1 trillion in infrastructure build-out. But also key here, Brian, is that video generation is a source of training data that they can feed back into the algorithm. That's the missing piece to get to AGI. So it's significant on both fronts. And yes, there's been a lot of talk about blowback, and we can dig into that, but there are some pretty meaningful impacts of this rollout this week.